Hello, I am Cristi Muro and this is one of the videos I created to explain what's new in Future Pack 2508. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage user activity periods. I'm going to go to Administration, Setup, General Users, and I'm going to select one of my users. Now in the user setup window, super users can now set the time when a user is active or inactive. This means you can decide when a user is allowed to work inside the system. When a user is in an active period, the system blocks that user from doing any business work. They can create documents, they can update documents. For example, here I can say, okay, from November 24 to November 29, here I'm going to put the remarks PTO. So here we are telling the system that Sarah is going to be out from November 24 and November 29. But what I think this is really useful is that this user won't appear in choose from list or drop down list in most areas of SAP Business One. For example, now that we have said that Sarah won't be available in this date, I'm going to try to create an activity. So I'm going to go to CRM activity. And here, we don't have Sarah. So I won't be able to select this user because this user is out in this period. So even if you inactivate the users, you can still see all their old documents, logs, and reports. Nothing is lost. So the only change is that the user won't be able to work during the inactive time, and you won't be able to select the user from most of the choose from list or drop down list in SAP. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.